All right, here's some big news that we are currently tracking. Lakhimpur court sends Union Minister's son Ashish Misra to 3-day police custody. The SIT will be interrogating Misra over custody. In fact, the custody comes over Lakhimpur violence case. Police sought 14-day custody of Ashish Misra. However, only 3 days has been granted. Here's the Lakhimpur court, which sends Ashish Misra to 3-day police custody. Remember, we're at least looking at 8 people who succumbed. Well, 4 of them were mowed down by the speeding SUV. 4 others died through a chain of violence that ensued right after that SUV went on a rampage. Here, Union Minister's son Ashish Misra has been the center of the center of all the allegations. Here is Ashish Misra, who's been charged with murder in that FIR. In fact, the police had asked for at least 14-day custody, but here the Lakhimpur court has granted 3-day police custody. Let me quickly cut across to Ashish Misra's lawyer's reaction coming in.
14 दिन के पुलिस कस्टडी रिमांड की मांग की गई थी, जिसमें माननीय न्यायालय द्वारा 12 से 15 यानी 3 दिन का पुलिस कस्टडी रिमांड स्वीकृत किया गया है, शर्तों के साथ।
क्या शर्तें हैं सर? क्या शर्तें हैं?
शर्तें हैं कि उनको मेडिकल कराया जाएगा, प्रताड़ित नहीं किया जाएगा और अधिवक्ता उनके दूर खड़े होकर के बात कर सकते हैं।
मेडिकल टीम नहीं रहेगी सर उनके साथ?
मेडिकल टीम नहीं रहेगी, उनके परीक्षण के लिए कहा गया है।
अधिवक्ता की मौजूदगी रहेगी। रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है कि उनको कहाँ ले जा सकते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसी कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है।
Well, here you have it. Big news coming in right here. We have our reporters tracking all those developments on ground.
कितने दिन की अर्जी दी गई थी, क्या हुआ?
प्रोसिक्यूशन द्वारा 14 दिन के रिमांड की मांग की गई थी, परंतु न्यायालय द्वारा 3 दिन का रिमांड स्वीकृत किया गया है। दिनांक 12/10/21 से की प्रातः 10 से 15/10/21 की प्रातः 10 बजे तक।
क्या शर्तें हैं? क्या उनको ले जाया जा सकता है?
शर्तें हैं, उनका मेडिकल कराया जाएगा, उनको प्रताड़ित नहीं किया जाएगा और अधिवक्ता उनके दूर से परिस्थितियों को वाच कर सकेंगे।
मतलब अगर वो कहीं पे घटना स्थल पर ले जाएंगे तो वकील साथ में होगा?
अब आदेश में है,
आदेश में है कि जब भी आशीष मिश्रा को ले जाएंगे तो वकील के साथ ले जाएंगे। और एक बार फिर से हम जानना चाहेंगे, कितने बजे से कितने बजे तक रहेगी?
12/10/21 की सुबह 10 बजे से 15/10/21 की प्रातः 10 बजे तक।
इस तरीके से केंद्रीय गृह राज्य मंत्री अजय मिश्रा के बेटे आशीष मिश्रा को 3 दिन की पुलिस कस्टडी रिमांड पर भेज दिया गया है। कैमरा पर्सन संजय के साथ संतोष कुमार, आज।
All right, let me quickly cut across to Abhishek joining us for more information on that. Abhishek, do take us through. Ashutosh. Ashutosh is following all those developments right there. Ashutosh, give us an insight into what exactly the court has observed. In fact, the police asked for 14-day custody to interrogate this, find out exactly what had happened and Ashish Misra's role in the entire episode. But here only 3-day police custody has been granted. The SIT will be interrogating further while in custody. But what happened in court?
Entire argument from both the defense and the prosecution. I was very much inside the court, and this 20-minute long hearing when the prosecution sought 14 days custody. Remember the day he was arrested late night when presented before the Metropolitan Magistrate, the SIT itself asked for 14 days, but rather the defense argued that instead of handing over to the police custody or the remand, he should be first into the judicial custody. Now when it is over, when the plea was heard in the CJM court today, that almost 20 minutes long argument, the public prosecutor first saw that he should be sent to the police custody for 14 days and they are required to interrogate him, investigate and also counter with the evidences that are available with the agency, with the SIT in that terms. Also certain evidences which are available with the police need to be, and he also should be countered with the eyewitnesses of first account. Defense rather said that he, why do you need his custody when he was 12 hours interrogation attended on the first day when you arrested him? What is left if there is no further recovery? That FIR says there is no recovery needed from the accused. Why do you need his custody? And perhaps after all the arguments, that court that rejected 14 days remand plea of the SIT and handed over only 3 days custody. Ashish Misra, the son of the MOS Home Affairs, Ajay Misra, continue to be in the judicial custody, has kept under the district jail, will now be handed over to the SIT as he has been remanded for 3-day police custody by the SIT. So now the inquiry, the investigation begins. He will be taken to the police custody. The account of witnesses that those are available with the SIT, he will be countered with that. certainly since the rifle has been seized, his mobile phone has been seized, particularly on the point that evidences he claims to be he wasn't present at the spot where the incident took place, but rather he was at a wrestling venue. On those aspects, the evidences, the mobile locations, everything will be investigated. And here, actually, the real investigation in this particular case begins. Subsequently, those two people who are already arrested, including Ashish Pandey, he will be, made to confront them with the account of witnesses, with the account of two other accused arrested. And clearly, where the investigation begins, now the custody has been handed over to the SIT. 3 days, indeed. After 3 days, the police will file further remand plea and seek more custody as and when required by the agency in this course of investigation, Nabila.
Thank you very much for joining us with those details. Ashutosh Mishra there, who's right there in Lakhimpur. He's been tracking all those developments coming in from court. Remember, the court has now granted police 3-day custody only. The police had asked for 14-day custody. Here's the court, Lakhimpur court, which has granted the police 3-day custody. SIT will further interrogate the matter. We'll be questioning him on his whereabouts, on where exactly was Ashish Mishra when the violence broke out on the 3rd of October, especially between 2:36 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. This is exactly the 1-hour window when the violence broke out, where Ashish Mishra is unable to prove where he was.